everyone, welcome to EduTap. So in today's session we are going to discuss a very important news article of finance that is regarding the Sdfc bank that has issued India's first electronic bank guarantee. So what is this electronic bank guarantee? Why the Sdfc bank has issued India's first electronic bank guarantee? What is the significance of this electronic bank guarantee? We are going to understand all of this in today's session, and this news article is very important because it is regarding the banking awareness and direct questions can be asked from such news article in RBI Grade B, in SEBI Grade A, in NABARD Grade A, and it is regarding India's first. So when something is released, when something is introduced for the first time in the country, it becomes very important for the examination. So now let's start with the news article, but before that please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new to the channel, and join our Telegram channel for the PDF of this session, and you can get the link of the Telegram channel in the description box below. So now, starting with the news article that the Sdfc bank has issued India's first electronic bank guarantee. So Sdfc bank is India's largest private sector bank, and it has become the first bank in the country to issue an electronic bank guarantee. Okay, until now the bank guarantee was issued in the paper format. Okay, so Sdfc bank has become the first to issue the electronic bank guarantee, and this has been done in partnership with National E-Governance Services Limited. So first of all, what is this bank guarantee? See, the bank guarantee, now the XYZ Limited, let's say it is a micro enterprise, it is a very small enterprise and it needs computers for its working, and the computers cost 5 lakh. Now the XYZ company does not have 5 lakh with itself, but it knows that after 2 months there is a payment that is going to come, okay, by some other company. So it is saying that it is asking the ABC bank to give the computers to the XYZ Limited. So the XYZ is asking for the computers from the ABC Limited, that is a very big company, okay, but the ABC Limited is saying that how can we trust you, because the XYZ company is a very small company and it can vanish anytime. Okay, it can lose, it can go into losses and it will not be able to repay the 5 lakh. So the ABC company do not have the trust on the XYZ Limited. So the ABC company will say that okay, we will provide you the computers, just give us some financial security. So now here comes the role of the bank. The XYZ Limited will apply for the bank guarantee to the bank, and the bank guarantee, that is, the bank will say that okay, in the case where the XYZ Limited is not able to pay the 5 lakh back, the bank will be paying the 5 lakh to the ABC Limited. So the bank has provided the financial security to the ABC Limited. Now why the bank will do so? First of all, the bank will take a collateral from the XYZ Limited. The collateral will be taken by the bank because the bank have to give the 5 lakh rupees after 2 months if the XYZ Limited will not be able to pay back. Okay, so the bank is taking a kind of guarantee. It is guaranteeing the ABC that if the XYZ Limited is not able to pay you, we will pay you the 5 lakh after 2 months. So the bank has to take a collateral from the XYZ so that the XYZ do not run away. So the collateral will be taken by the bank, as well as the collateral can be the land, the factory itself, or any other resources that the XYZ Limited has. As well as the bank will also take a fees, because the bank has to go through the trouble of releasing this bank guarantee, issuing this bank guarantee, verifying this bank guarantee, checking the CRISIS rating, the CIBIL rating of the XYZ Limited, that actually they should provide the guarantee or not. So all of this the bank has to do. So there will be a fees that will be charged from the XYZ Limited. So what is happening? The XYZ Limited is a kind of borrower that is taking the computers from the ABC Limited, and in a way it is holding 5 lakhs of the ABC Limited. Okay, ABC Limited is the creditor. The ABC Limited is the one that has actually given the computers, the 5 lakh rupees in a way to the XYZ company, because the computers cost 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so the ABC Limited here is the third party that is providing the materials. Okay, and the bank is the one that is just issuing a paper, that is just issuing a guarantee. Okay, so here bank guarantee is the guarantee or assurance the bank is giving, the financial institution is giving to the external party, to the third party, if the borrower, that is the company that has got the materials, that has got the money, that has got the material. Here it has got the materials. External party, if the borrower cannot repay the debt or meet its financial liability. It can be in a form of debt. It is not that the computers are taken, maybe the actual money is taken. So the company that has taken the computers, that has taken the stuff, so if the company is not able to repay the debt or meet the financial liability, in such an event the bank is the one that will refund the amount to the party to whom the guarantee is issued, that is the money. If XYZ company is not able to give, the bank will have to give. So this is the bank guarantee, and until now the bank guarantee is released in paper. Okay, and there were many fraud cases that were coming up, that there was manipulation with the paper, there was fraud that was done with the small enterprises, and it also takes time for the creation of the paper and all to create the document. So the digitization of issuance of the bank guarantee will be issued in a digitized form, in the electronic form, and this is a transformational step towards increasing the ease of doing business for the MSMEs, micro, small and medium enterprises, because they are the ones that need the bank guarantees the most, because they are very small enterprises, and usually the big enterprises that are dealing with the small enterprises, they do not trust such small enterprises. Okay, so that's why the small enterprises needs the bank guarantee to make the big enterprises trust them. Okay, and the small enterprises have to deal with the large enterprises to grow actually. So the small enterprises have to build the trust, and in the form of taking the bank guarantee. Okay, so the major applicants for the bank guarantees are the MSMEs, and to make them do the business easily, the bank guarantees has to be provided in a fast and secure manner. That will be done through the electronic bank guarantee. Okay, so now here paper based bank guarantee that was given in the document form, in the paper form, it takes 3 to 5 days to complete the process of physical pickup, courier the paper to the beneficiary, stamp it, re-verify it. It takes 3 to 5 days, even a week. As well as before approving the bank guarantee, before couriering it, what happens that the bank will analyze the previous banking history, credit worthiness, the liquidity the company has, the CRISIL and CIBIL rating, and this also takes a lot of time. So it usually, and as well as this also takes 1 week, so you can understand that it is a long process that happens. So the electronic bank guarantee will eliminate the physical documentation that is associated with creating a bank guarantee and providing the bank guarantee, and it becomes available digitally to the beneficiary directly. As soon as the bank guarantee is created, you do not have to courier it, you do not have to physically pick it up. It will be directly provided through in the digital form. So the EBG, that is electronic bank guarantee, has been introduced in consultation with NESL, the CVC, CBI and IPA, that is the Indian Bank Association. It has been developed to simplify the process. Now the electronic bank guarantee is to simplify the process, eliminate the possibility of fraud and manipulation, because the paper can be easily tweaked, the paper can be easily manipulated. You have to just add a 0 in front of it, and if it is a 2 months, you can just write 0 after it or something. This tweak can happen, or there can be a fraud document, a duplicate document, a new document that is created out of air, okay, to just cheat with the other person. So the possibility of fraud and manipulation is decreased with the EBG, as well as the electronic bank guarantee will be stored in the NESL portal. So the portal will have all the bank guarantees of the SDFC bank that the SDFC bank is issuing. So the SDFC bank can check that this bank guarantee is correct or not. Okay. A bank can provide bank guarantees to its business customers and their counterparties faster and safely through e-guarantees than traditional paper bank guarantees. Okay, the paper bank guarantees has many problems. The safety is the issue, the transportation or the providence is the issue. That's why the EBG has been introduced by the SDFC bank. EBG is issued as a PDF file with a secure qualified electronic signature placed by 2 authorized bank representatives, and these signatures can be easily seen, okay, that it is correct or not, it is valid or not. So the paper based time consuming process has been eliminated, and with the new electronic bank guarantee process has come into form, and it can be processed, stamped, verified, delivered instantly with enhanced security. There was no central repository before for the bank guarantees. It was not getting stored at a central position. Different branches of SDFC bank were giving different bank guarantees, and there was no record at a central place. Now the EBG will be issued on the NESL portal and through the API based digital workflow, and the NESL portal has become a central repository where all the EBG electronic bank guarantees will be stored. So if anyone want to check and verify that this bank guarantee is actual or not, real or not, they can easily check it. So the EBG offers advanced security, bringing efficiency of the time. Directly it will be provided. The paper do not have to be sent to the beneficiary. The EBG will be provided on the portal. So the e-stamping has replaced the physical stamping, and with EBG the applicant and beneficiary can immediately view a bank guarantee on the NESL portal. They do not have to wait for the document to come to them. Okay. Before EBG there was no central repository for the bank guarantees, but now there is, that is the NESL portal has become the central repository. So the e-guarantees deliver increased safety because the authenticity of the electronic signatures can be easily checked, easily verified, and that's why they are more secure. The manipulation, the fraud will not happen very easily as it was done in the paper case. So the SDFC bank has been continuously trying to improve their digital system, and they have been doing a lot to improve, not only to improve, to create new things, and that's why SDFC bank has created this EBG. Okay, and this has become the first in the India to have the electronic bank guarantee, and this provides a very vast improvement area. Okay, so this is the first question. I hope you can easily answer, and this is the second question. Here you can get the full forms of what we have discussed in the previous slides, and these were the people that were able to give the right answer of the previous session question. It was Prasanna, Suhas, Ags, Shiva, Neel, Arpita, Priya, Vardman Jain, Kavya and Yash. Thank you everyone. Thank you for replying. It's great to see so many right answers, and thank you very much. If you have any query, you can mail us here or you can contact us through this number. Thank you.